I'm bored. What should I do today? Oh yeah, I got a fidget spinner. What are you doing, Ariana?
Hello, everybody. Today, oh my gosh, this is horrible.
I know it's horrible. Did you drop your fidget?
Okay, today we'll be making a video about fidget cubes and maybe a fidget spinner. I know you guys have all heard of a fidget spinner.
If you
These
don't,
are more upcoming than this, and this came out first, I think. But either way, let's get into the video. I don't know how to explain this, but this is the fidget cube.
mine's broke already.
Yeah, he broke his.
No, you
This is the cutest man in the world. Bye.
You remember him?
You see? Okay, so this is like supposed to be like how you had the joysticks. No, not joysticks.
I
Not
can't
joysticks,
believe
not
I
joysticks.
broke. No, I didn't break it. She did.
No, I
We
didn't.
was in Walmart.
The thumb things on the controllers. That's what this is. His didn't go down. His just went around in a circle, like how they do it on the mine's go down, as you can see. You got like a light switch. This is wrong.
This
Then
is supposed to be
I don't know what these
here.
is. They supposed to be like switches.
Bro,
And then this is just
that
I
guy
don't know what
there,
this supposed
no
to be.
shit to him.
Stop talking over me. And that's everything. Oh, and you got little buttons. I don't know if mine was made like this or it's supposed to be made like this, but some of my buttons, like certain ones you can hear, then this one you can't. And yeah.
We got a different one. She got a white and blue.
I know
one.
we sucky at this, and we probably not gonna be able to edit it because
I probably
we're on a tablet right now. We're
I'll
not even on
probably
the
edit
computer or
it.
anything. We don't got a camera. So,
Joe Vaughn, what you doing?
So
Why you giving them no personal information? Cut that part out.
see you guys next time. Bye.
The video's not ended right now.
Yes, it is.
It was not.
Bye. Our
Hold on,
channel, our
wait,
channel's
wait.
gonna be called
Follow me at Snapchat.
ANR Nation.
Follow me at Snapchat.
This is a brother and sister thing. I don't know who this is.
Follow me at Snapchat.
Bye.